to multiply these two binomials, we know for sure we're doing 2 times 3. That gives us 6. Well, we can eliminate A and D at that point. And now we're left with B and C. A lot of students confuse when to add the exponents versus when to multiply them. And College Board knows that. That's why they gave you those two options. So let's go ahead and reference page 34 of our math reference document, which is side 3. And let's zoom in on these 5 properties of exponents. The ones that we're comparing are scenarios 1 and 2. And notice the difference here. In scenario 1, you're multiplying 2 powers. And when you do that, you add the exponents. If instead, in scenario 2, you have a power to a power, in other words, there was just one x term, then you multiply the exponents. And you can see how it plays out in these two scenarios and why it's really equivalent to, in scenario 1, adding the exponents versus scenario 2, multiplying them. And since we have 2 powers multiplied by each other, in other words, you have 2 bases of x, you rewrite the x and add those exponents. So we already knew the coefficient was 6. And when you add the exponents, you get 8, making the correct answer B.